This is a tornado warning coverage from yesterday.
Up here for you from New York State down through Pennsylvania, and a few warnings in Ohio and eastern Kentucky as well. I'll try to get into a couple of these warnings here for you. One here for us, that includes Franklin as well as St. Lawrence, I should say, until 2:45. Storms that are rolling on by. The biggest threats here with these storms as they slide their way on by, it's going to be the damaging winds with these storms. A little bit farther to the south now, storms have moved east of Rochester, but we still have Monroe, Ontario, and Wayne counties until 2:30. Severe thunderstorm warning there. These storms, making a run for Seneca Falls, so heads up there. And then we move down on into Pennsylvania. Clearing is favorable for storms anchor.
Rescue right in this location. Someone trying to drive through the high water.
Echoes from the west.
A tornado watch is in effect.
Up the northeast, got a couple of tornado warnings that are in effect here. We got Allegheny, Livingston County here now. This is in New York State until 2:45. Tornado.
Breakfast-style sauce is sweet and spicy.
Give me the line again.
Kansas City, sweet and slow.
Heinz partnered with real pitmasters, not spokespeople, to bring you the flavors of America's top barbecue regions.
A thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Within this, no warnings for tornadoes at the moment, but somewhere within this line, eventually there could be some tornadoes embedded with this. But right now, looking at the threat for some damaging winds with the severe thunderstorm warnings that we're following right now.
/fraud.
Most accurate forecast.
Well, new development just literally within the last minute. We've got the severe thunderstorm warnings across parts of central New York, and now a tornado warning is in effect for parts of Madison and Oneida counties. And let's see, we want to warnings now. We got over Onondaga, northern Portland, as well as for portions of, let's see here, that's Cuba County as well.
We're just kind of keying in on the southern part.
Okay, the tornado's probably over there.
New Hartford, going to bring this view back out because we want to do a tracker on this particular storm as it works its way across central Oneida County. It's been moving east-northeast at about 35 to 40 miles per hour. So
Well, she probably needs to.
Happy National Tornado Day in Ireland.